Good. Good, and then we're going to adjust. Flex. Nice. Hey everybody, Dr. Luke Stringer here, Advanced Health Chiropractic down in South Loop of Chicago. And we're with one of our newer patients, Despina. Despina is here for her neck and upper back pain that she's been dealing with for an extended period of time. Despina is studying hard for the MCAT. She's got big aspirations to join the healthcare space. On Despina's journey of essentially getting this neck and upper back pain corrected so she can function well and dial in the study. And so, Despina, let's get you adjusted. Alrighty, get your chest down for us. So obviously, as you guys know, watching on YouTube now or Instagram, the spine communicates to the brain through movement in the spine. 80% of stimulation of the brain comes from movement from the spine. So this instrument just puts some movement into the joint and the tissue, kind of wakes the spine up. And we're really focusing on Despina's upper back pain here. When we went through Despina's evaluation, we found a big shift in her neck curve. So we're just going to get her upper back adjusted. That's a great adjustment. We're going to take care of the mid-back pain. And then we're going to come right up top. And with Despina's shift and postural change, she gets super tight in the upper thoracics, that upper part of her back. Good. We're going to rotate this way. Good. And then we're going to adjust Despina's pelvic pain. Joe, how you doing? Joe, you're going to get on a video today. We're going to adjust Despina's pelvic. She's going to lay on the left side of me. You're doing left today, Despina. Straighten that bottom leg, top one through. We're just going to rotate torso, come into the... There we go. Nice job, Despina. She's moving well. Bottom leg straight, top one through, rotate. Despina's moving before we've even adjusted. Then we're going to adjust Despina's cervical spine. This is the root cause of Despina's issue in terms of origination of the neck and upper back pain. Laterally flex. Nice job. Relax there. Alrighty. Okay, grab my elbow. Use me. Alrighty guys, so that's an adjustment, a full spine adjustment with Despina's neck and upper back, pelvis, lower back. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe, turn on notification bell. It's on Instagram and Facebook. Make sure you follow us back and like the video.